Got him. Got him. Good brown here. Oh, got him. Got him, guys. Right there. Pretty good.
Alright guys, welcome back. It's Mark here with another episode of First Class Fishing. We didn't get a good intro today, so we're going to give one for you guys right now. Today we're heading out to the rivers, mostly up in the Colorado River. Trying to catch some good fish today. We don't know, we've never really fished the river too much this year, especially up there in the Colorado, so we'll see what we can get today, guys. We're going after some browns, maybe some rainbows if we can get any, but mostly trying to get us some big browns today, guys, and we'll see how this river fishing does. It's mid-November, we're right before Thanksgiving, so it's gonna be really cold, and that water is gonna be flowing, so stay with us, guys.
Just had another bite, guys, but they're not biting hard. First fish on, guys. We got our first fish of the day here. That's a little baby brownie. Little baby brownie. Alright, all tangled up a little bit. Let's get our hands wet even though we don't want to because it's cold. Caught up in the net here just a little bit. First fish of the day, guys. Got the skunk out. Boy, that feels good. Nice little brownie, guys. Alright. Let him go here. Here we go. Right on, guys. First one of the day. Let's go. We're getting some rain here, guys, and it's getting pretty cold out. We're going to try a few more spots, but we're not sure how much longer we'll be out here today. It's pretty cold. We got one little brownie right up there under the bridge. And so far, nothing else. No bites. No follows. But we'll see. Oop, got one. Oh. Our first bite, guys. Actually had our first bite right there. Just hitting the moss. Stay tuned. We got one on, guys. We got this one on here. Just a little guy. Kinda looks like we might have foul hooked him, but not real sure. Just get him in the net here so we can check him out. Just a little guy. I don't know if I'm even gonna net him actually. Let me get our hands wet again. It's cold out here. Oh yeah, I got him on the mouth. Thanks, buddy. But you got it pretty solid. So let's figure this out here together, guy. Nice little brownie. Nice little brownie. Let's let him go here, guys. Right on. Alright. Pretty good sized brown on just a minute ago. We switched up to this Joe's fly here, and a couple casts in, we got smacked. So they wanted something a little shinier, slower moving. Find out. Keep getting hit here, guys, but they're not sticking. We found what they want, but they're not holding on to it. Got a good rainbow here, guys. Oh yeah. Big guy. Oh my big guy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, nice bow. And he spit it out. Nice, guys. Right there on the Joe's fly. Boom. Joe's fly. Nice cut. Nice little rainbow right there. I don't think that's a cut bow. Nope, just a rainbow. A fatty though. You know, guys. Get him released here. Alright. Big little rainbow. Yeah, buddy. Come here, guy. Let me show you off here, bud. Let me show you off here. About 15 inches, guys. Pretty good size here. Pretty beefy. Yeah. There he goes. There he goes. Yeah, buddy. All right. Got him. Got him, guys. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, guys. Oh, come here, buddy. Stay on. Oh, he just popped off. Oh, he just popped off, guys. Son of a gun. Oh, that was a big one, you guys. That was a big one. Oh. Oh. That sucks. That was a big fish, guys. Holy Moses. That was a big fish, guys. I can't believe I just lost that. Maybe I should have went down river for him. Oh. That sucks. That was a big fish. Sometimes I just lose him, I guess. He was right here on the shore. Just popped right out. Got him, guys. We got a good brown on here. We got a good brown on here. Stay on here, guy. Stay on here, guy. Good size brown. Come here, big boy. Yeah, there we go. Got him. Good brown here. Alright. On the Joe's fly. Yeah. Nice job there, buddy. Nice job, right on the lip. Right on, guys, right there with the Joe's fly. Nice, good sized brown here. Get a picture with him, we'll be right back. Alright guys, all we're doing here, we have this Joe's fly on, and about 1.5 foot up we got a little barrel swivel and this P-line fluorocarbon. We're just throwing it about diagonal straight across in the river here and just kind of giving it a couple pops and letting that thing drift and letting the river do the work. as we start floating downriver, we're just going to kind of let it drift. Just drift as long as that propeller is spinning, that lure's working, and that's where we're getting all of our luck. It's right on the down drift there. We gotta fix our hook here. These Joe's flies have that treble hook on the bottom, so sometimes you gotta make sure that treble hook is sitting the right way. Else it doesn't quite spin right. But it's killing it on the river today, guys. Directly across. You would have come. Oh, whoa! Right there, guys. Right as soon as that thing hit. Oh, he came off. Oh, he came off too. I don't think that was moss. I'm pretty sure that was a fish, guys. We got some moss on our fly, but that felt like a fish as soon as that thing hit the water. We weren't hitting a lot of those jerk baits, but they are hitting a lot of these spinners, so we're gonna stick to those spinners. We lost a pretty big, I'd say about 18-19 incher just a minute ago, because I didn't walk down river with him. So next time I catch one, I'm gonna walk down river with him just a little bit, give him a little more drag. Guys, we got a monster on. Oh my god. Got him. Good brown here. Good brown, guys. Got it. Oh, he's taking off. Oh, he's taking off. I gotta get him over here to the shallow, guys. Too big. He's just too big. Come here, guy. Come here, guy. Come here, guy. Come here, guy. There he is. Got him in the net. Yeah, guys. That's a big rainbow right there. Big old rainbow. Alright. That's a big bow. Get him off here. Nice big rainbow, guys. Really big rainbow, guys. Real big rainbow. Slabs here. Slabs here. Oh yeah. Alright. Another one on, guys. We've got another big one. That's a big one. Oh, good brown here. Oh, okay. Alright. Good brown, guys. Good brown. Yeah. That's the best. Let's go. Alright. Right there. And on the lip. Alright guys, nice brown, look at that. Nice brown. Right there. There you go. Alright, I was gonna show them to you guys. We got a good one on, guys. We got a good one on. It's downriver. Good brown, guys. Good brown here. Alright. That's a good brown here. Good size brown, guys. Alright. Let him go. Pretty brown, guys. Real nice and long. Oh yeah. Pretty brown. He's been beat up before. Oh, let's let him go here. Alright. There he goes. Let's go, guys. Right on, right on. We got a good one on, guys. Just gotta stay with him here. Stay with him here. So don't see him. There he is. Oh yeah, it's pretty good. Good brown here. Alright. Yeah, ooh. He's chewed up. That tail is munched. See that tail? Oh, that's crazy. His tail is munched tatered. Barely caught him right there on the lip. Yeah, that's kind of weird. That tail. Huh. Pretty brown. Pretty size brown here. Just a weird tail on him. Looks like he's been eating up a big fish. Let's let him go, yeah? There he goes. Off he goes. Huh. Yeah, he got eaten by a big fish. That's kind of crazy. You know what that means? There's bigger fish in here that are even munching on that guy. And we want to catch him. We want to catch him, guys. Another one on, guys. We're trying not to let him get in the current. He's not too big. Just a small brownie. Kind of on a rough rock here. I'm trying to get him up here. Alright. Nice little brownie. Off we go. Alright. Nice. Casting it upstream and then reeling it nice and slow, coming on down. Nothing a big size yet. You know, we've hooked some big ones today, but we haven't landed any giants yet. But it's coming on 4:30, so we about got to go here, guys. It's hard when you're catching fish, but we got to get going here real soon. Oh, got him. Got him, guys. Right there. Pretty good one, I think. Try not to let him off. Oop. Ah, just another small brown. Let's get him up in here. Just another little brownie here. Oh. Little baby brownie. Little baby brownie. Oh, thanks, little baby. Alright. Off we go. There he goes. Alright, guys, that's why it's hard to leave. Let's keep catching them. Alright. Come on, keep him. Keep him on. Keep him on. Keep him on. Come on. I don't even see him. I don't think he's very big though. I'll keep all the small ones. There's all the big ones, guys. Seems to be what I do today. Catch all the small ones. Lose all the big ones. Yeah, I know. See you, buddy. Alright, I want a pig, guys. I don't know. Maybe we'll get one. Got another one on, guys. Pretty good size here. I gotta go with him here. Here he comes. Here he comes. Alright. Nice brown, guys. Got us one more nice brown here. Let's wet our hands. Nice brown, guys. Alright. Let's get him off here. Heck yeah, we were wanting just one more before we left. So we switched back to this Joe's fly. And as soon as we did, we got a smack. So, how cool is that? We got one more for the road, guys. Oh, there he goes. Oh, and we didn't get a picture, but he's gone and healthy. All right. Well, that was fun, guys. All right. Right on. A good way to end the day on a good fish. Right on, guys.
Well, thanks for fishing with us today, guys. It was a great day of fishing. We ended up with a lot of fish. We caught about 14 fish on the day, quite a few browns. Caught a really good, he was about 18, 19 inch rainbow, real fat guy. But couldn't ask for a better day on the river, guys. We don't fish the river much, so we're gonna be fishing a little more now that those upper lakes start freezing while we wait for them to freeze. And we'll get some ice fishing in this year. But for now, thanks for fishing first class, guys. Like and subscribe if you liked our content. We'll be with you guys on the next one.